look, but with the way price traded above here, I don't see why it would just trade lower unless it's really just messing with people, you know. Um, I'm not going to shift my stop loss higher if it stops us out. I'm just going to take what we have. We have around $200 in profits for today. And, you know, whatever happens, happens. I want to, you know, create consistency doing this. We don't have to overshoot the moon for, you know, all our trades. Obviously, I think the mistake we made today was just not taking profits here. If this gets stopped out, of course, because if this holds, then hallelujah. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens. It does seem like, you know, we're about to get stopped and stopped out. So it's fine. It is what it is. We could have had around, it would have been another $100 or so in profit. So it's not too much. So we ended the day with 200. It would have been around $180 more that we would have made if we had just taken our profits here at this area. Um, Regardless, we'll take it as it is. Let me delete that because there was no $500 profit. I'm going to put it here like this. And so we had 475 points in total for this trade, and we got stopped out here. If it goes out, if it goes lower here now, I'm going to cry, but it's okay. I'm just calling it for today. We got $200 in profit. That's more than enough. We're going to aim to be getting $200 in profits per session. Like, that's my goal, especially with MNQ. So we'll see how it pans out and what happens. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't know if I'll be trading, but we ended the day with $50,723. We were up highest on this account up to 52,000 or so, and then we just went downhill from there. Kind of got into our heads, wanted to pass it super quick with a couple NQ trades, and it just ended up, you know, hurting us instead. So I think I'm going to stick with MNQ, learn when to enter more contracts versus when not to, not force any trades, just really follow order flow and bias and see where it goes, you know. Ideally, I probably should have kept my stop loss above this inverse fair value gap. There's a chance that it still goes lower. You never know, you know. We have a lot of buy side liquidity. Maybe it's taking that buy side before continuing lower. We're going to have to wait and see. I'm not going to enter any more trades. And as a matter of fact, what I'll do is enter a trade right here. We're going to enter 3 contracts, or let's do 5, just to see what happens. Not really, you know, tied to any outcomes. This is the practice account, obviously. We're going to put the stop loss above here, and we're going to keep that original target right there. So we'll see what happens with the practice account here now. There's a chance they just came to stop us out and it's going lower. I should have probably just kept my stop loss higher, but I wanted to like end with something in case I was wrong. And $200 in profit is more than enough for me for today. I will accept it and take it gladly. And yeah, it looks like it might be going. So we'll have to wait and see. What I'll do is I'm going to put a 3 contracts here to buy, and then the final 2 down here, and we'll see how that goes. And yeah, guys, that's it for me today. Very unfortunate that I came. You see that I came right to the 50% and then sold off. So we'll see if it really respects it here. Ideally, now we trade lower under these lows here. So this would be the target. Whoops. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna gonna close off the charts now, get ready for work. And I will see you guys either tomorrow or next week. I will be uploading all these videos up right now. With the idea, and I think I might even post all of it together in one section on YouTube, just for you guys to have the, the trade in order all together. So we'll see how I do that there. But I'm gonna turn this off now. Whatever happens here, maybe on Friday we will follow up with you guys to share the outcome of this practice trade that we entered here. So 76 points times 5. Let's see. So that's around $2.50 per point times 76 points. It's $190 that we're risking to make. Let's do 380. So it'd be $570 here. And then if we trade lower to here, that's $873 plus $873. So 570 plus 873. That's around $1,400 in profit. So we'll see what happens. As you guys can see, stopped out right before the move continued, which is okay. I accept it. And we'll see what happens here. I'm calling it for today before I enter another trade. And I'm going to upload these now. Hopefully it works so that I can just upload it like that. But I don't know if it's going to work on my YouTube. So we're going to have to take a shot and see. But if anything, these will be posted on my Trading View. And I'll label them 1 through 7. Because there's 7 videos in total for the whole entirety of this trade. Okay? So I'll talk to you guys later. We'll see if this holds or not. And if not, then I'm kind of glad because it stopped me out. And it would have been so sad to see, But at the same time, I'm just kidding. It wouldn't be glad. I want my biases to be correct, And it's just a learning lesson for us to learn where exactly our stop losses should be placed. So we're learning. Kind of kept it tight here. I should have just kept it above the inverse fair value gap with the idea that I wasn't going to rate it. But like I said, I wanted to have a little bit more profits, and the 65 guaranteed me $200 for the day. So it is what it is. And I don't know. I have a feeling this trade is going to hit both my TPs. But like I said, I will update you guys on this. Let me just write down some notes here before I close off on the video. I'm just taking some notes as to what happened with my trading session. Stopped out right before price continued lower. Well, we lower prices like I was expecting, and will price respect this 50%, which looks like it will, but we'll see. All right, guys, I'm turning this off now. Have a great day. Hope you guys had a great trading sesh today. Take care.